Welcome, guys, to episode 10 of how we remodel and build a 49-room hotel here in Miami Beach. We keep moving forward with the preparation for the slab in the second floor, connecting both of the old pieces of the building. In this space, going to be erected a new part of the building. But today, we are bringing the machinery and the drainage boxes to do the civil work in the area. Moving forward, we keep assembling all the rebars in the slab that's going to connect the two existing structure, but at the same time, we are doing the digging and installing the boxes, the catch basins for the civil work, where we're going to have a trench drain over there and where all the water from the rain is going to go. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell for more update on how we build and remodel a 49-room hotel in Miami Beach. Thanks for watching.